Welcome back. In this video, we will see how to install the preview version of Microsoft Office 2024. This is a preview version software we can download from Microsoft website and we will be able to install and try the Office 2024 version. This is called as long-term servicing channel, and along with the Microsoft Office 2024 preview version, we also have Project 2024 preview, and we also have Microsoft Visio 2024 preview software. Installation for this software, we need to have minimum supported operating system, which is Windows 11, Windows 10, or it can be Windows Server 2022. Hardware requirement, we need to have minimum of 4 GB of RAM, and depending upon the features what you are going to select, we need to have the hard drive space for installing the software. Office 2024 also supports 32-bit and 64-bit version. If you are installing the preview version of Office 2024, if you have already installed any other Office software, you need to uninstall those software. And the installation location, it will be always C drive. You cannot change the location. The installation location can't be changed. So it will be installed in the C drive. We need to have internet connectivity. If you are using the KMS activation, which is nothing but the key management server activation, for key management server, you need to have a server which provides the license in your environment. Since I don't have any KMS server in my environment, I need to use MAC, which is multiple activation key, to activate the Office 2024 preview license. If you have the KMS running on your environment, you can use these keys to activate the Office 2024 preview, or you can use the multiple activation key to activate the installed Office 2024 version. So let us download the software and try to install the Office 2024 version and see if there is any problem what we are going to face while installing. So I'll download the software. This is the Office deployment tool which will be downloaded. Once I download the software, I need to extract this particular file. So I will agree for the terms and condition, which is license, and I will also select the location where the files has to be extracted. So I'll choose the location as C drive itself. Okay, no problem. The folder has been created. I'll select OK, and the files has been extracted. Let us check if the files has been extracted. I have to go to C drive, Office 2024. Yeah, files has been extracted. And there are some XML files. If you notice, we need to edit these XML files in order to update the MAC keys, which is multiple activation keys. So I'll edit the file and I will update the file with the activation code. I'll go back to the link. You have the activation code given here. So this is for Office 2024 preview. Okay, first I need to remove this, and there is also in the same link there is also the configuration file which you need to update. And select the product key and update in the configuration file. So this is for Office 2024 key, and this key is for Project 2024 preview. So project 2024, and this is for Visio 2024 preview. Visio 2024 preview. Okay. Without changing the configuration file, what I have copied. So I have simply copied this configuration file. I have only updated this portion with the keys. For all the three products, I have updated the keys from here. And I will save the file. Control S to save the file. Let me open the file again. I'll close the file again. Let me check if the file has been saved. Yeah, the file has been saved. I'll close the file again. And I need to run the command. So there is a command which has been given. I need to run this particular command. Copy the command. I have to use the command prompt. And I need to use this command prompt with administrator privileges. Run as administrator. Yes. And I will cd to the folder. cd to office 2024. If I say directory. And this is the file which I have edited. So I will copy this, paste here. And my configuration file is this one. And I will enter. It will connect to the Microsoft website and download the files for installation to proceed. So let us wait for some time and see how much time it is going to take to install. If it is taking too much of time, I will pause the video and I will come back later. Okay, now if you see, it has started downloading the files which is required to install the Office 2024 preview version. I'll wait for some more time and see how much time it is going to take. It might take approximately somewhere around 20 to 25 minutes. Let me check what is the exact time it is going to take to download and install the software. In almost 7 minutes now, the files are getting downloaded. So I'll pause the video and I'll come back. It's seem to be moving fast now. And let me see how much time it is going to take. So it is almost done now. It is working on the final stage. Let us see how much time again. Yeah, finally we can see the Office 2024 has been installed successfully. I will close, and if I go to start program, I will simply type appwiz.cpl, and we are able to see some of the applications related to Office. And if I wanted to test the Office application, if I select Word, and we are able to see the Word. So we are able to see this is Office 2024 preview, and I will accept the license, close, I can open the document. So once you have installed the Office 2024 preview, from now on there is no internet which is required. You can simply use the application. And if I wanted to use Visio application, I can use the Visio application app. Yeah, great. Okay, good. Yeah, fantastic. If I wanted to try PowerPoint, I can also try the PowerPoint application. Yes, fantastic. Okay. Yeah, I'm able to use all the applications of Office 2024. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the content, please subscribe and share the video. Thank you and take care.